One way to make a big impact on your layout is to use paper weaving. And what a perfect way to use some solid color cardstock. So what I am doing here is I'm going to set up my desk to paper weave. I'm going to lay out my one color, and then we're going to weave the second color. And then I'll show you the end result and how this all comes together. By the way, this is the Encore line paper. So what I'm using right here is jet black, and I'll be using snowy white as the opposite color in my paper weaving. You can use your scraps. You can use whatever paper you have, but scraps is definitely one of those things that it's nice to use for this. Now, I think I probably could have laid this out better, but we're just gonna loosely go like this. And what's great about paper weaving, it makes a big impact on your page, and it is super easy to do. So I've got some tape here that is low tack that I'm gonna use on my Surface desk to hold my foundation in place, just like that. And once you've got your foundation, these strips right here and then the white one in place, it's super easy to go in and do every other one now, and you just keep doing this over and over again with every row. And then you slip the next one up, and I like to try to get it pretty close so then I don't have to push it together later. And then when you're done, you glue the ends and it stays together. Now that I've weaved all my pieces together that I need, I'm going to remove my tacky tape, and I'm gonna work on getting all of my pieces straight and together. Now these are weaved, so it's a little hard to push them together, but you can use your nails, you can use your thumb pad. I'm kind of just using my fingers to push them together. Once I had everything knit together pretty tightly, I made a template out of just normal paper, and I glued it on the back of here, and then glued the edges so that everything stays on this piece, and it's very sturdy. And this will end up on my layout using the Teen Spirit collection by Echo Park, which you can find on the 12x12 cardstock shop. Stay tuned at the end of the video to see close-ups of the finished product and how impactful my weaved flags are on this layout. Make sure to like and subscribe to the 12x12 cardstock shop for more paper crafting tutorials.